Hello everyone, I am Rajeswari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Data Analytics, Dr. S.S. Rajarashmi, College of Arts and Science. In today's session, we are going to see about software engineering. Analysis and design. What is analysis and design? Analysis is a broad term best qualified as in requirement analysis or object analysis. Design emphasizes a conceptual solution that fulfills the requirements rather than its implementation. Software analysis and design include all activities which help the transformation of requirements specifications into implementation. Requirement specifications specify all functional and non-functional expectations from the software. These requirement specifications come in the shape of human-readable and understandable documents to which a computer has nothing to do. Some software analysis and design is the intermediate stage which helps human-readable requirements to be transformed into actual code. Software design. Software design is a mechanism to transform user requirements into some suitable forms, which helps the programmer in software coding and implementation. It deals with representing the client's requirements as described in SRS, that is, Software Requirement Specification Document, into a form that is easily implementable using programming language. The software design phase is the first step in software development life cycle, that is SDLC, which moves the concentration from the problem domain to the solution domain. In software design, we consider the system to be a set of components or modules with clearly defined behavior and boundaries. Software design. The basic objectives of software design is depicted in the picture. That is, it consists of 6 parts. One is correctness, completeness, efficiency, flexibility, consistency and maintainability. These are all the objectives of the software design. For this purpose only, we are creating the software design. So what do you mean by correctness? Software design should be correct as per the requirements. Completeness. The design should have all the components like data structures, modules and external interfaces, etc. Efficiency. Resources should be used efficiently by the program. Flexibility. It is able to modify on changing needs. For that, the software should be a flexible one. Consistency. There should not be any inconsistency in the design. Maintainability. The design should be so simple so that it can be easily maintainable by other designers. So these are all the objectives of the software design creation. Next one is the requirements modeling. Elements of the requirement model. Requirements for the computer-based system can be seen in many different ways. Some software people argue that it's worth using a number of different modes of representation, while others believe that it is best to select mode of representation. The specific elements of requirement model are dedicated to the analysis modeling method that is to be used. Scenario-based elements. Using a scenario-based approach, system is described from user's point of view. For example, basic use cases and their corresponding use case diagram evolve into more elaborate template-based use cases. Figure 1 depicts a UML activity diagram for eliciting requirements and representing them using use cases. There are 3 levels of elaboration: class-based elements, behavioral elements, flow-oriented elements. Then we are going to see about the class-based elements. So what is class-based elements? It is nothing but a collection of things that have similar attributes and common behaviors. That is, objects are categorized into classes. For example, a UML class diagram can be used to depict a sensor class for the self-home security function. In addition to the class diagrams, other analysis modeling elements depict manner in which classes collaborate with one another and relationships and interactions between classes. Behavioral elements. Effects of behavior of computer-based system can be seen on design that is chosen and implementation approach that is applied. Modeling elements that depict behavior must be provided by requirement models.